Hi, my name's David. I'm an FAA certified commercial drone pilot working in the roofing industry here in Southern California. Drone Home LA is just that. It's aerial photography of the areas that I fly for my roof inspections with a Mavic 2. I've got a Neo 2. I've got a Mini 4, a couple others in the stable. Primary reason for this channel is to just get some of this beautiful landscape that we have here in Southern California. I'm very lucky to be able to fly drones daily with some of these nice areas that I get to work in. And that's really it. So enjoy the show, and I'll see you next month. All right. Well, we're starting the month with a couple of new toys to play with. First is what you're looking at is a video coming from a Neo 2, a DJI Neo 2 drone that I've had for a couple months, but this is the first month that I've been able to put some of the content up. And it's got just an incredible AI that'll allow you to set it up without a remote. I've just got it connected to my phone via Wi-Fi. And then there's a 360 circle, and I just tell it where I want it, and it'll follow me wherever I go. And it does a pretty good job. The second toy is a little device you see on the back of my bike. There is just a battery-powered electric motor that just kinetically turns my back wheel, and again has another AI to it that really knows what I'm doing and how I'm pedaling. It's very seamless. It doesn't jerk you around or do anything crazy. It just assists in pedaling what you're doing. This next segment is another area I like to ride my bike, and it's called Signal Hill. Again, it's in Long Beach, and looks out over Long Beach, the city of Long Beach, and the kind of the downtown area. Known for its oil. This thing was nothing but oil rigs for 50 years, and finally kind of cleaned it up and put some homes up here. But it's a really nice spot. You can see all the way to Long Beach Harbor, and then on the other side of the hill you can look out to LA. This next section is pretty cool. It's Ortega Falls. Is up in the Santa Ana Mountains out of Orange County. It's amazing how rural this gets and how windy and mountainous the road to get here is. You think of Southern California is all city and urban, but it's not. There's quite a bit of mountain and rough terrain up here. Really, it gets pretty warm, and it's pretty high altitude as well, and just very rocky. Beautiful area. We've been up here a few times over the years. It's a destination for a lot of folks who want to get out. Yeah, this month has been quite a bit of my bike riding, and I don't know, that's just part of what I do. I like to put the drone in my back pocket on my bike, and just wherever I go, I will throw it up and see what I can get. And in this case, I rode to a park in Long Beach called Eldorado Park. It's a very large regional park in the area, and a couple lakes, and there's quite a bit of wildlife in the area, and then a freeway right next door. But and the bike trail near and a river channel, so it's got a lot of area to work with for droning and cycling.
I can't do nothing with you.
And this area is Hartwell Park. Is just on my way back home from Eldorado Park on the bike ride, and we'll stop here. The airspace gets a little close to Long Beach Airport, so it's I can get authorized for 50 feet. And typically just keep it low and slow, and we'll look around at some of the baseball, softball fields, golf course. A cool little river channel here that I just decided to dive into. A lot of fun. All right, well, we're going to end the month right where we started it, back in the river channel with my bike and my new Neo 2 and an electric motor got me going. Really enjoy riding in this area. I'm dropped down into this little channel. It's just real pretty. It's a halfway point for me, so I enjoy it. And get everything set up right about here. Turn around and head home. All right, well, that's the end of February 26th. Hope you enjoyed the video. Got a lot of drone flying in, got a lot of bike riding in. Hey, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the like button. What the heck? And we'll see you next month. Thanks.